We're here at Woodbridge Island at the beach. We're about to introduce Morsel to the ocean for the first time. Morsel doesn't like water. This might be entertaining. See, Lucy's very excited about this. She also hasn't seen the ocean before, but she'll probably be fine. Morsel is looking a bit nervous. Not really sure what the deal is. What's this?
This is in my way.
Oh no! Just stressing out a bit.
Come on. Okay. It's nice.
He's a bit nervous. I know. I know. I know. I think you might have to pick him up. That's not going to happen. He's not going to voluntarily go into the ocean, which we suspected all along. Doing the swimming thing already. Oh no. I know. I know. I know, Morsel. Lucy doesn't care at all. Morsel's not happy. Come, Morsel, come and look. Come. I know. It's the worst thing that's ever happened in Morsel's life. I can't imagine such a terrible thing. Oh no! The ocean's coming to get him. I know.